Hello everybody, welcome back to SV Handmaids, and today we are going to see an interesting crafting for kids. This keeps the kids to stay focused, and it's very interesting to do for them. So just Google for different pictures, and you have to just count the number of beads required for each color and make your design. So here you see one that my son worked with me doing this. So I helped him just to iron the craft. This looks very pretty. You can use it as a fridge magnet or as a car hanging. So this one we plan to make it into a car hanging, which can be hanged on the mirror of the car. Doesn't it look very pretty? Okay. So these are the perler beads. It's also called as fuse beads, which easily melts with heat. So this whole box, I got it from IKEA. You get it in all stationery or craft shops. You even get it in different colors sorted out, but I got a mixed colors box. So this is the board that you get along with the pack. This board helps to make our design easy and helps to make the beads stay put there. So this is the project which we are going to do today, the unicorn. I know it's a craze among the girls. So I have this design here which I marked on a math paper, on a graph paper. So first you make the design, you decide where you're going to put the colors, and then looking at the picture that you have marked, you can easily place them on the board. You have to just count the number of pieces and place accordingly. So I'll be adding this picture at the end of this video, so you can just take a screenshot of it and then you can try out on your own. So you can do any kind of design with this. So these kind of pictures you have to decide on the color or something, but for text you just have to figure out where each bead goes and the color combination. It's not very difficult. You can easily try out the text ones. You can even make simple designs like circles, ball, heart shapes. Anything is possible. You also have different shaped mats available like circle, square, rectangle, heart shape. It all comes as a set, but even a simple mat will do. Just your creativity will help you design your picture. Getting an assorted beads box will help you do any kind of projects, and it's very interesting. You have a lot of wonderful projects available on the internet. Even on Pinterest you can search for perler beads projects. Good thing about this crafting is that even if you make mistakes, you can easily fix it because we are not gluing anything down. So we can just rearrange and do whatever we want. We can make all the adjustments. Once we are satisfied with the design, we are going to do the final ironing to fuse the beads together. So we have almost reached the end of this designing, and just one more row left and we are done. So now you can take a screenshot of this for your reference, and then you can work on the same design and turn it into a bag charm or fridge magnet or a key ring or anything you wish. Now kids, don't try to iron it yourself with adult help. You can try doing this. So when ironing, make sure you don't hold the press on top of your design for too long. You might accidentally melt it too much. Just in a quick short burst, you can just few seconds and then lift it up and see if you have done everything correctly. Any place which you feel is not fused properly, you can try doing it for another 5 seconds. So when it's hot, be careful when you handle it. Don't try to move around when it's hot, otherwise the shape might change. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe, comment and like, and hit the notifications all so that you get all the updates. Thank you so much.